Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus division and we have the exponent part. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 58, C is 98 and D is 158. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see, we will discuss here two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent and power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 3 is you have to see the division and multiplication. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. So, now we have to see, like, first of all, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the bracket. So, first we have this bracket 3 plus 7. So, we will solve this one because first we will solve the bracket and raised to power 2, we will write as it is here. And other parts, again, we will write as it is. So here we have to give the reference 3 plus 7 equals to 10. Now, step number 1 is again we will follow because we have another bracket, but this bracket contains two operations. One is division and other one is 7 raised to power 2. So first we can do, according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve the after the bracket we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So we have to solve this one first. So now we will solve, and again we have so we will write as it is this one, and because we are solving the bracket, so we have to solve this 7 raised to power 2 first, which is 7 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 49. And here we have to give the reference 7 raised to power 2. Now move forward. We have now the bracket. So first we have to solve this bracket, which is this one. So first we have to solve the division because we have addition and division sign. So we will solve first the division. So this part we will write as it is plus 54 divided by 6 equals to plus 49. We will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 54 divided by 6 equals to 9. Now, move forward. Again, we have to solve the bracket. So, we have to solve this one first. Now, again, we will write this part as it is and 49 plus 9 equals to 58. We will write here 58. And here we have to give the reference 9 plus 49 equals to 58. Now we have solved this part. Now we have to see the exponent part because we have here the plus, but we cannot plus both terms because we have the exponent part. So we have to solve this one. 10 raised to power 2 means 10 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 100 plus 58. We will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 10 raised to power 2 equals to 100. Now move forward. We have solved this one. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 158. So the answer of the given expression is 158. If you see, the answer leads to answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So this is the way you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and word method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from